So I took the week off last week, but you might have noticed by the fact that there were no videos on my channel. You might be wondering to yourself, like, Nick, why did you do that? I feel like you were on a roll, and you're right. And part of the reason I wanted to institute this 8 videos in 8 weeks challenge thing was to keep myself accountable, to make sure that I was actually making videos consistently. Like I've talked about before, going slowly, making sure I'm pacing myself and doing things right. That's more important to me than quantity. I'm actually kind of reminded of this thing that my parents always talk about. Hang up and hang out. I'll tell you about that in a second. So hang up and hang out is this idea that when you're with people that you like a lot, that you care about and you want to talk to, you hang up your phone and you hang out with them. This is something that our family has been doing for a while now because we're all really bad at getting off of our phones when we're hanging around each other. It's kind of unfortunate because I really do love my family and I know my family loves me, but it's just like the pull of social media, you know, the fear of missing out. You want to be on your phone all the time, and it's just like not good for creating and maintaining lasting relationships. The reason that I bring up this entire concept that my family does is because I literally just moved from here to here by packing up everything I own into a U-Haul and driving. That's a 16-hour drive if you're driving the speed limit, but we were pulling a U-Haul on a Jeep that needed to be serviced, so that meant we were only going like 60. So that made a 16-hour drive into a 3-day drive. And I figured I should probably not YouTube this entire experience instead of hanging out with my mom and hanging out with my dad. They were generous enough to sacrifice their time to hang out with me, so why don't I hang up? And that's what I did. I didn't make a YouTube video all last week. Instead, I hung out with my family and made sure that I spent time with them before they left. So no, the channel's not dead. No, I'm not done making videos. I just took a break. In fact, this room right here, I'm making into my studio, and I would be in there with you, but it's not finished yet, so I'm not gonna take you in there, it's not finished. So no, I'm not quitting YouTube. No, I'm not taking a break for an extended period of time. No, I didn't get killed or shot or maimed or whatever. I just took a little break. In fact, I want to start making more videos a week. And I know that's gonna be hard because I'm starting a full-time job, but you guys have shown me that my content is worthwhile for you guys. It's crazy, like this community has been so friendly and uplifting for me. I struggle really hard with self-loathing and thinking that my stuff isn't good enough. I always think that like what I'm making, that my content just isn't like meeting the standard that people want to see on YouTube. But what I've been hearing from you guys in the comments, in the Discord, in the messages, on Facebook, on Instagram, even in emails, is that you guys are really responding to this content and that you think that I'm like a good content creator, which is nuts to me. So I want to make sure that you guys are still getting inspired, still learning stuff, still taking something away from the stuff that I'm making. And I think the best way to do that is just to make a lot of content. So I hope you guys are excited for more just like content, just like good stuff for you guys. So I want to end this video by saying YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. So remember, slowly, slowly. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.